How are you? Today we will start our next chapter, chapter 8, who is heavier. Okay, heavier means what? Heavy के ऊपर से heavier बना. Heavy means the things which are heavy in weight is in comparison with in a weight. Whatever things which are heavy weight, it means large weight, that is called heavier, right? So today we will start our chapter 8, who is heavier. How many of you like jaggery or groundnut? Many of us you like jaggery and groundnut, right? So I want to show you the things quantity in each and everything we are purchasing from the shops. Okay. First, many like jaggery and groundnuts. But see here on page number 113, you have one picture is there. One baby is hanging over the groundnuts and gur, right? So the bag of groundnuts is very big and the bag of gur is very small. But quantity in both groundnut and gur, both are same, right? See, groundnut is also of 1 kg and jaggery is also of 1 kg. Okay, let me show you another things that you can compare. See, what is this here? Tell me. Rava, right? The Uttam Rava. Here in Rava, the quantity of this Rava is, you can see here the quantity. Here it is written over there. See, quantity is 1 kg, right? So this is the 1 kg pack, right? Okay. Now next I am showing you. This is the box of jaggery, right? Jaggery है ना? So in this box, the weight of this jaggery is net weight over here. Here, see how many grams are there? 950 gram. It means almost 1 kg. Okay, so 1 kg jaggery can be included in this small box. For this 1 kg also, it's required big polythene, right? This required small box. Okay. One another things. What is this? Jam, right? Mapro jam. Okay. The quantity on this jam is, you can see over here, how much is the quantity? 1 kg, right? So in 1 kg quantity, you can, the full 1 kg jam is in this jar. Okay. Now, last one. What is this? Same. Mamra, right? Mamre hai. If this is only, how much gram it is? See here. Only 500 gram. It means 500 gram is less than 1 kg. You all know that because 500 gram is the half of kilogram, right? So it requires big bag. For Mamra, it requires big because it is light in weight. That's why it's required big bag. But if another is there, then it requires small bag, right? In Rava, see here, it's required this type of bag. Okay. Another things I will tell you. In your book, another example is popcorn and sugar. Popcorn is just like your mamra, right? Popcorn, for popcorn you require big bag. This is the 500 grams of bag. For 1 kg popcorn, how much you require? Big bag, no? Okay. Then sugar. Sugar you can say like this bag, थोड़ा सा इससे बड़ा हो जाएगा, right? So for sugar you can have big bag. Now come on that page only, as written over there, kilogram is the abbreviation form of kilogram. Kilogram is kg. Kg is also written as the kilogram. Our next topic is pumpkin tomato panga. This is a playground where tomatoes come to play every day. They love playing on the seesaw. One day, a big pumpkin comes and sits on one side of the seesaw. See here. यहाँ पे एक pumpkin दिख रहा है आपको. वो एक दिन वो ग्राउंड में आया और सीसो था उसके ऊपर एक साइड पे बैठ गया. When he does not get up for a long time, the tomatoes decide to sit on the other side. Tomatoes तो वहाँ पे खेलने आते थे. They decided, अभी वो ऊपर नहीं उठा ना तो टोमेटो डिसाइड किया कि हम लोग एक साइड अदर साइड हम बैठ जाए. And lift the pumpkin up so that he falls off. The little tomatoes start climbing onto the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 25. How many tomatoes sat on the other side? 25. Ooh, the pumpkin is still sitting and laughing. Pumpkin अभी भी वो बैठा था और laughing कर रहा था. अभी वो lift नहीं कर पाता था. So the big tomatoes decide to help. अभी उसके बाद big tomatoes ने सोचा कि हम लोगों help करते हैं. The little ones get down and make a way for the fat ones. अभी छोटे छोटे टोमेटोज थे ना वो नीचे आ गए और फिर बड़े टोमेटोज को ऊपर आने को बोला. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. अभी 20 टोमेटोज बड़े टोमेटोज 20 आ गए तो उसका काम चल गया. Yeah, the pumpkin is up in the air. It shouts, bring me down, please. अभी ये देखो बड़े टोमेटोज यहाँ पे छोटे थे यहाँ पे बड़े आ गए तो टोटल 20 टोमेटोज बड़े आ गए तो ये ऊपर आ गया. Okay, now next, how many small tomatoes do you think could lift the pumpkin up? See, 20 बड़े बिग टोमेटोज आए थे तो वो ऊपर चला गया. अभी यहाँ पे 25 स्मॉल टोमेटोज थे तो भी वो नीचे ही था. तो 25 से ज्यादा ही चाहिए ऑलमोस्ट, राइट? सो हियर 3 ऑप्शंस आर देयर, 10, 20 और 40. सो विच आंसर विल कम? 40. ओके, राइट. तो 40 स्मॉल टोमेटोज रिक्वायर्ड. How many big mangoes can balance the pumpkin? See here, only one. If I will put one mango, then it will not lift it. But almost 20 to 25 big mangoes are there. Then they can lift the pumpkin. Now see here. Now guess. How many pumpkins can balance you on the seesaw? See, how many pumpkins can balance you? Suppose आपका weight है 25 kg, राइट? और ये पंपकिन है सपोज 1 kg का है तो 25 पंपकिन यू रिक्वायर. अगर 2 किलो का पंपकिन है तो उससे आधा चाहिए. आपका वेट है 25 या 26 तो इससे आधा, इट मीन्स 13 पंपकिन्स रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, नेम सम ऑफ योर क्लासमेट्स हु यू थिंक वे. इट मीन्स सी हियर, यहाँ पे आपको कोई ऐसे क्लासमेट्स है जो आपको ज्यादा दिखे, ऑलमोस्ट द सेम एज यू. इट मीन्स आपके जैसा हो, कि आपके जैसा वेट हो, उसके नाम यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. मोर देन यू, इट मीन्स कोई फैट है फ्रेंड्स, उसके नाम यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. और लेस देन यू, अगर आपको दुबला पतला कोई है तो वो उसको यहाँ पे लिखना है. हाउ मेनी बुक्स कैन यू लिफ्ट ऑन वन हैंड कीपिंग योर आर्म स्ट्रेट? आई विल शो यू इन दिस वीडियो. Now next topic is double her weight. See here, Bharti's parents have a different way of celebrating Independence Day because Bharti was born on that day. यहाँ पे भारती है, उसका बोर्न हुआ था तो पेरेंट्स उसके सेलिब्रेट करते हैं उसका बर्थडे एक अलग तरह से. दे बाय स्वीट्स डबल ऑफ भारतीज वेट. भारती के वेट से डबल स्वीट वो परचेज करते हैं और पुअर पीपल को वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं. डिस्ट्रीब्यूट देम अमंग पुअर पीपल. सी, भारती जो है वो छोटी थी तो उसका वेट किया था जितनी है उससे डबल यहाँ पे स्वीट दी है. When Bharti was born, she was 3 kg. Today is Independence Day and she is 28 kg now. Now guess her weight and the amount of sweets her parents distribute every Independence Day. See here, यहाँ पे भारती at birth how many kgs are there? 3 kgs, right? तो 3 plus 3, it means they will distribute 6 kgs on their birthday. 1 year old, it means when she was 1 year old, the birth weight of Bharti is 9 kg. So how many sweets they will distribute? 9 plus 9, because her weight is 9. So 9 plus 9, it means 18 kg they will distribute. Now second year old, 13 kg. Why? Because here 13 plus 13 is equal to 26 kg already given. सो 13 प्लस 13 किया है तो यहाँ पे 13 लेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 9 प्लस 9 किया था तो 9 था, तो यहाँ पे 13 kg. नाउ 3 years ओल्ड की हो गई तो 17 kg, 17 का डबल, 17 प्लस 17 इज इक्वल टू 34 kg. 4 ईयर की होगी, तब यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं दिया था तो हम अप्रोक्सीमेट करके 22 kg लिखते हैं, तो 22 प्लस 22 इज इक्वल टू 44 kg होगा. यू कैन राइट ओवर हियर 23 kg, 25 kg एज यू वांट. नाउ 5 years, अभी 5 ईयर की हुई तब उसका वेट है 28 kg. हाउ मच? 28. सो 28 प्लस 28 इज इक्वल टू 56 kg. You can ask your parents how much a 2-year-old and 4-year-old child could weigh. अभी ये 2 साल के बच्चा है तो उसको ऐसे वेट करते हैं, लेकिन 4 ईयर का बच्चा है तो बड़ा होता है ना, तो उसको जो आप हॉस्पिटल जाते हो दवा लेने, मेडिसिन लेने जाते हो, तो वहाँ पे जो आपके डॉक्टर है वो आपका वे करते हैं ना, वो बड़े बच्चों के लिए होता है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस कंसेप्ट? On page number 150, another question is there. How many books can you lift on one hand keeping your arm straight? Keeping your arm straight, it means how to do. See, this is the one book, right? I am keeping on one hand, straight hand. Okay, so I am keeping over here straight hand. See, okay, how many books you can keep? You have to try this at your home. Okay, this is the second book, this is third one, heavy हो जाएगा. This is the fourth book, this is the fifth book, this is the sixth book. Okay, अब थोड़ा हेवी लग रहा है मुझे. ओके, you can see, अब थोड़ा हेवी लग रहा है. Now you can put it over here. Another book. See, अब मुझे दर्द करने लगा. अभी कितनी बुक्स आई? 1 2 3 4 5 6 और 7. Okay, I can handle these 7 books on my one hand by keeping my arm straight. Okay, you have to try yourself. Thank you.